Ever wondered about living beyond the age of 80? Picture yourself at 85. Look around, and for every two people, there's a likely chance that one person is battling Alzheimer's disease. Not you, you say. Well, in that case, you're probably providing care for someone who is. This formidable disease is expected to touch most of us in one way or another. The fear surrounding Alzheimer's often comes from the feeling that we are helpless against it. Despite years of research, we still don't have a definitive treatment or cure. If we're fortunate to live long enough, it seems like Alzheimer's is an inevitable fate for our brains. But what if we could change that? What if we could alter these statistics and our brain's destiny without a cure or medical advancements? Let's unpack the neuroscience of Alzheimer's in more understandable terms. Picture two neurons connecting. The juncture is called the synapse, where neurotransmitters are released. This is where signals are passed, where communication occurs. This is where we think, feel, see, hear, want, and remember. And this is where Alzheimer's takes place. Imagine zooming into the synapse. During communication, neurons release a small peptide called amyloid beta, along with neurotransmitters like glutamate. Usually, amyloid beta is cleared away by microglia, our brain's janitor cells. However, the consensus among most neuroscientists is that Alzheimer's begins when amyloid beta starts to accumulate. Either too much is released or not enough is cleared away, leading to a buildup of amyloid beta. This forms sticky aggregates called amyloid plaques. Anyone here above the age of 40? This initial step into the disease, the accumulation of amyloid plaques, could already be happening in your brains. The only way to confirm this would be through a PET scan, as at this point you're not showing any signs of memory, language, or cognition impairment. We believe it takes between 15 to 20 years of amyloid plaque accumulation to reach a tipping point. This triggers a molecular cascade that results in the clinical symptoms of Alzheimer's. Before you start panicking, remember that normal forgetfulness, such as misplacing keys or forgetting names, is not necessarily a sign of Alzheimer's. However, after the tipping point, memory, language, and cognition glitches become different. You might find your keys in the refrigerator or wonder what they're used for. To summarize, Alzheimer's disease is a formidable condition that affects a significant portion of the population, especially as we age. It is believed to result from the accumulation of amyloid beta in the brain, leading to the formation of amyloid plaques. This process can take years before any symptoms are noticeable. But here's a hopeful note. We're not entirely helpless. By understanding the process and recognizing the early signs, we can be better prepared for what's to come. And who knows, we might just be able to change our brain's destiny.